National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harrison County in southern Mississippi until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gulfport, moving south 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gulfport, Biloxi, Long Beach, D'Iberville, Lyman, and Gulfport Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 28 and 46. Interstate 110 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Harrison, Mississippi,